It takes a lot of patience. Patience is definitely one of the things you need. Stand for 8 hours, 2 hours, as long as it takes to do the job.
That I'm a CWI, which is a Certified Welding Inspector, I can bring in all kinds of certifications for students, qualifications, and also I have lots of industry background as a welder and also recently being an inspector.
Our workforce right now, I think the number is something like 20% of our workforce is 55 and older. So all that 20% of all people working in construction, the window for retirement is getting bigger. It's getting closer to them.
The costs are going up, trying to find qualified technicians, the technology is changing, and not enough of the companies are following suit with the same thing.
Our furnace has broke like 3 different times since I've lived in my house, and it's expensive. Like, we just replaced one, and it'd be nice, like, I could fix my own furnace or buy the parts and build it myself, and then I'd be saving like a good couple grand. I'm not a fan of sitting in classrooms, so it's nice to go into the shop and actually do something. You don't have like blueprints like we have here. You just have to know what you're doing. The money's really, really good. I mean, you can start out here, and if you're good at it, you can easily make 6 figures. Wanting to do it and taking the effort and critical thinking, because you can't always just go up and ask somebody like, hey, how do you do this? You have to like sit there, you have to understand what you're doing and be willing to learn.
Holes that we don't fill in, or the holes that are left by the cabins because there's not cabinets, there's not drywall. Those are things that are essential for our students to learn. We do here. So these cabinets were installed by students here. We use this to fill those gaps. Underneath us, down below this in this mock-up, there's a bunch of modules where the kids can go through and do drywall. They hang the drywall, they finish the drywall, again, filling a hole that the cabins don't allow them to do. And then we do electrical in here in the winter, so they do simple circuit wiring in here in the winter, and go back outside and complete the inside of the cabins and get them ready for shipment and delivery to the customer.
If you didn't have construction, then houses wouldn't be worked on as well because there wouldn't be people that know as much.
Where I am and learning more and more and knowing like these kids are learning at the same time that I'm still refining my own skills.
Technology is huge, as we know. Like, everything in today's world is all technology. We started with hammers and tape measures and all those things, which these are still very valuable. We still use these every day, and there's really not going to be any getting away from the old hammer and tape measure, all right?
The systems will be more advanced and more energy efficient, and I also feel like AI could be taken over in them, because obviously now we have to find where the problem is, but if later years we can like make an AI system where like the thermostat tells us where the problem is, it'll be a lot easier than having to check over everything.
The need to have qualified technicians in any skilled trade is really high right now.
It is a big thing for students because they're young, they don't have a lot of experience, so getting in the door sometimes is a challenge, but once they get into the door, I feel like the industry has like no limitations.